नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज अपन सीखते हैं प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस। इसको वर्तमान काल भी कहते हैं, अनिश्चित वर्तमान काल। इसकी हिंदी में पहचान होती है कि हिंदी वाक्य के अंत में ता हूँ, ता है, ती है जैसे शब्द आते हैं और इसका जो फॉर्मूला होता है, सूत्र, वो होता है सब्जेक्ट प्लस V1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस एक्सटेंशन। सब्जेक्ट अर्थात कर्ता, यानी जो कार्य करता है। V1 यानी क्रिया का पहला रूप, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब। ऑब्जेक्ट यानी कर्म और एक्सटेंशन अर्थात विस्तार। अंग्रेजी में विस्तार आखिरी में होता है। इसके लिए एक अलग से वीडियो है जो सब्जेक्ट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट आदि को समझाता है। वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसका लिंक दिया हुआ है, आप उस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए प्रेजेंट सिंपल को कैसे अच्छे से आत्मसात करें, कैसे सफलता प्राप्त करें, वो देखते हैं। प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस के आधार पर हम अपना डेली रूटीन यानी दिनचर्या पर एक स्पीच छोटी सी बना सकते हैं। दिनचर्या यानी सुबह उठने से लेकर रात में सोने तक जो जो काम हम करते हैं वो दिनचर्या में आ जाते हैं। जैसे मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठता हूँ, अंत में ता हूँ आ रहा है, फिर ब्रश करता हूँ, फिर मुँह हाथ धोता हूँ। इस तरह से आप सुबह उठने से लेकर रात में सोने तक पूरी दिनचर्या बनाएं, जो कि बहुत आसान है। जिसमें सब्जेक्ट सबसे पहले, उसके बाद क्रिया का पहला रूप, उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट यानी कर्म जिस पर क्रिया का असर पड़ता है, और अंत में एक्सटेंशन लगाएं। जैसे एक सेंटेंस है, मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठता हूँ। आई गेट अप एट 6 o'clock in the morning। तत्पश्चात मैं ब्रश करता हूँ। लेटर ऑन आई ब्रश माई टीथ। इस तरह पूरी स्पीच आप बना सकते हैं, रूटीन बना सकते हैं। इस क्लास के कुछ स्टूडेंट्स की जो तैयार स्पीचेस हैं प्रेजेंट सिंपल के आधार पर, वो यहाँ प्रस्तुत है। उनको ध्यान से देखें और वैसा ही बनाने की कोशिश करें। कोई समस्या हो तो कमेंट्स में लिखें। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
How are you all? My name is Kumar Aditya, and I pursue in class 9th, and today I have got a wonderful opportunity to share my views in front of you all on my daily routine and some of my permanent habits. Friends, before I start my speech, I would like to crack a joke in front of you all. My thinking is that it will relax your mind, but you will think that how a simple joke can relax your mind. But my thinking is that try, pay, don't cry. And will begin is half done. You all know better than me. So I think you all like Santa Banta joke series.
Yes.
Do you like?
Yes.
So let's start. एक बार संता की गर्लफ्रेंड उससे पूछती है, संता तुम मुझसे कितना प्यार करते हो? तो वो बोलते, मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, इतना प्यार करता हूँ कि तुम्हारे लिए चांद तारे सब कुछ तोड़ के ले आ सकता हूँ। फिर शादी के बाद संता की गर्लफ्रेंड उससे पूछती है, संता तुम मुझसे कितना प्यार करते हो, तुम मेरे लिए चांद तोड़ के ले आओ ना। वो बोलती, पागल हो गई है क्या? चांद तोड़ के ले आएंगे तो क्या तेरे बाप का चांद देख के मनाएंगे करवा चौथ? I think some of have not understand. Chand means, land. So, anyways, now come to the point. I generally wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning for studies, and my permanent habit is that I always ask my mother, please, mama, give me 10 minutes to have a power nap. You know, power nap? Which relaxes our mind with only 5 to 10 minutes and gives a relax. So my mama is very sweet. She always gives me that 10 minutes to 5 minutes according to my choice. But she is clever too. She sets the alarm as 3:50 a.m. and whenever I ask for 10 minutes, so generally I wake up at only 4 a.m. only. After that I fresh and have some hot or pasteurized water for my health. I'm a very health conscious man. So after that I went to washroom and freshen up fastly, and then I sprinkle water on my face because doctor has assisted me that how much amount you will sprinkle your water on your eyes, it will reduces power. So it's a exercise of eyes. So friends, do you know I studies 1.5 hour, and from 4:30 I study at 6 o'clock, and after 6 o'clock I go for jogging. Generally I go for jogging and some exercises like on spot jogging. But friends, you can see that nowadays it's raining, so I can't go for jogging. Today I am taking example of today only, that I think 5 to 6 hours it was raining hardly, and I was in worry that like in Bihar where my parents belongs to, and I also belongs to, it's my native place. So the floods come over there, so that lot of people are facing trouble, and I was also thinking that if I can feel that much trouble, and flood, I am not asking for that big which will trouble all them, but some sceneries will create, some little trouble will get all the peoples, that it's some fun also, it gets some fun. So after that I'm not going to jogging because it's raining, so I do Surya Namaskar, skipping, on spot jogging, and many more. And I do my exercises for half an hour only because this is my school. So from 6:30 I prepare for my school. I polish my shoes. I prepare my books according to my daily routine. After that, at 6:50 generally I go for taking bath, and in kitty भी means as much as hot weather it is my permanent habit that I will take bath with only hot water only because I have high snowphilia. But my mom is always being amazed that how you can take that much hot water on your body. You can see it's boiling weather outside. So, but it's my permanent habit. My mother always tells me, but we are grown up and we are not listening all the statements carefully of our mother and our parents. So after that, I take bath from 6:50 to 7 o'clock, or sometimes it takes 7:05 because sometimes I have to shampoo my hair, and I brush also I also brush during that time, and it's my permanent habit that I wear only iron clothes and washed clothes. After that, I dress up fast, and my mama is saying that why are you applying so much deo on your cloth? But it's my like mania. That without applying deo, I can't go to school and many others like places. But it's my like I like fragrances. So after that, I worship God for 15 minutes. I generally, part of Bajrang Ban Hanuman Chalisa. After that, at 7:20, it's hardly take to worship the God. So after that, there is my different routine of breakfast whole week. On Monday, as you all know that there is a day of God Shiva. So and the color which the God Shiva likes is blue, white. So my mama generally prefers me to give blueberry juice and bread. So it contains both color. Bread contains white color and blueberry juice contains blue color. And on Tuesday there is day of Bajrang Bali. I am very big. Not I am a not fan, but I am worshipping as much when I am was 7 years old. I think yes. And on Tuesday, guess what I will have? Its color is orange.
Santara.
No, not juice. It's no, like khichdi oats, masala oats. Its color is orange and tomato flavor I like so much. So its color is orange, so I like to prefer that. And on Wednesday, there's a day of Ganesh Bhagwan, so his favorite color is green. So my mama always gave me sprouts. It's a very diet conscious uh, meal for me. So I take that with some honey on that and some lime. And on Thursday, there's a day of Vishnu Bhagwan or Brihaspati Bhagwan, and his favorite color is yellow. So my mama always gives me cornflakes because it contains yellow flakes of corn. And on Friday there is a day of Goddess Lakshmi, and we all like Goddess Lakshmi. So I on that day the favorite color of Goddess Lakshmi is white. So my mama generally gives me upma or utpam, which is South Indian dish. But my mama generally prefers to give me utpam no upma, because my father's likes upma much. And because the reason behind is that, as you all know better than me, the boss is. So, according to my father's choice, I am taking upma on that day. On Saturday, there is again day of Bajrang Bali. So, guess what should I take or what I am taking? I am taking I am worshipping and I am giving bhog of Bajrang Bali, and then I take. After that, can you guess? Its color is orange. That 5 days before which I am taking, it repeats one time at that day.
Oats, masala. Khichdi.
I have not taken khichdi. I have given example. It's a type of khichdi. I have also taken one. Guess.
Yippee.
Its color is orange.
Yippee.
No, cornflakes. And on Sunday, my father is getting so busy that he is only getting, free time on Sunday only. So my mama preferred to cook utpam for us, and we generally like it's a chila type of, you all know utpam. So I like utpam very much, and it's like of a dosa, but it's not stuffed inside. So it contains a lot of vegetables, and my mama used that air brusher which is used nowadays. It's come in fashion that it can spread only less amount of oil. So after that, at 7:25, it hardly takes to take breakfast, and during taking breakfast, I take one spoon and I wear my socks, both of it, and then my shoes are polished before I go to bath, as I have said to you all. So after that, I wear my shoes and then I pack my bag and move ahead toward my bus stop. After that, I go to school and study, blah 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 blah, boring periods going on, and bus last periods comes, which is zero period. This is a period which is having fun, like as I am a musician, means I am playing, not I am completely a musician, means I am a learner from 2 to 3 years. So sometimes I go to music, and sometimes I go to cricket, sometimes I go to chess, and sometimes there is a column of detained students who are not completed their work, so they should remain in their class only. So sometimes I know that much brilliant students are obeying their teachers as much that kal ye homework karke le aana. So I am not in that category. So sometimes, it happens due to mismanagement of time. So sometimes there's a name on my board on detained students. But I escaped the all students. I please don't tell ma'am, please don't tell my ma'am. And there was a selection of cricket, so I went there and I escaped my principal ma'am, Disha ma'am, and she's also having trust on me. So, but sometimes, we can utilize that trust of our teachers. After that, playing at zero period, we came back to home, and after coming back to the home, when there is hot summer, means boiling summer, you know how the bus is made up of metal only. So metal is good, can conductor of heat. That's right, conductor of heat. So the latent heats it's absorbed, and all the heats is absorbed by us. And we are wearing that terracotta shirt. I think you all know terracotta shirt. So it does not absorb the sweat, so that it can't absorb. So I feel very uncomfortable on that. So after coming home, I generally prefer, since summer, that mama please give me glucon D, mama please give me lemon water, lemonade, iced tea, and many more. But in now rainy seasons and in my winter seasons, guess what I'll like to prefer? No, I am not asking for guessing. I know how better you are in guessing. So it's taking so much time. So on that, I came to my when I came in the winter seasons, when I come to the home. So I wash my hands and legs with pasteurized water, warm water, so that I feel some reliefness. And who are going to schools, means childhood age, me, you, please raise your hands, not taking money. So we are wearing shoes, and sometimes in summer and winter only it gets humid, and our no it's like a burning. So suddenly washing with pasteurized water, it's get relief. So after that I take lunch, and nowadays I am on that time I was watching a show that was Tenali Rama. I am very much attracted towards that historicals, and which is having some mysterious things, that it takes lot of time. If you will miss one of the series of that, you have to suffer lot of things that you have missed, blah blah blah. And nowadays, how many about Kayamat Ki Raat? It's show Tantric. So I'm watching that. It's from only the timing is fixed. God is also helping me. So from 3 p.m. to 4 a.m. it's. But sir is always saying that you are living in neighbor and why you are coming late to coaching, because sir at 4 p.m. it's overs my show. So sometimes I take time. So when it's happened something interesting in that serial, only that I take time. After that I came to this coaching. I think you know better than me, because I am new in this coaching. So, and from here only I am delivering speech. Here we learn a lot of idioms, phrases, grammar, and we all make sentences. And it's not simple that we can make sentences. We can also learn some moral, that knowledge, which is very beneficial for our life, not for only future that we will become a that officer, engineer, scientist, and many more, which is our goal aim, but it is beneficial for our whole life. So when sometimes I have money, so there is little, not chapati, but it's like some pulki and kulfi centers are there. And nowadays bhutta is also, corn is also, Hindi is our mother language. So sir has also permitted me to use that some dal, means dal in amount of salt. So I can use that. So please excuse me for that. And after that I am diet conscious. I have told you early that I take only for 10 rupees fulki or ice cream, but I have a high snowphilia. My mama is always excusing me, oh, you have a high snowphilia, still you are eating ice cream. But you know, my father, he is very interesting man. He was saying that why are you taking ice cream, and when mama goes to another room, take this 10 rupees and go outside and eat and then come to house. Mama, can I go for have a walk, please? Okay, go. So for that, it's take only to 5 minutes. So I run towards this Kulfi center at night at 8:30. The kulfi centers are available, so I take that kulfi. After that, I go to my home after appearing this coaching. Then I go to home, and there is a list of my mother that when we go to, means there is Keshri daily needs. So we are buying rations of our monthly expenditure according to our uses. So, but still my mama is missing because the demands are coming that please, mama, I want noodle that. So my mama is giving me list that please bring that much things that which she requires for preparing snacks or that much dinner. After that, I generally start studying from 6:15, and from 6 at 6 p.m. I generally enters in my home. After that, I take snacks. I take very light snacks, some fruits, and complain, keshar, badam. I like that so much. When there is a summer, I take shakes of that in ice cubes. Mama plays, and then it shakes. And in nowadays, I am taking that hot much, so it is beneficial for me. For I have no philia patient. So after that, from 6:15, I started with that what is my homework, and I'm recalling that. And after that, I during taking snacks, I recall that how much I have to do, how much time it will require, and how much speed I have to require, means for completing that much my work. From 6:15, I studies to 7:15, or sometimes it takes 7:30 because my Thakur sir, means it's my home tutor, and he teaches me all the subjects. Sometimes he gets late, so his time is 7:30. But sometimes he gets late. So after coming him, I study for 1 hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes according to his mind, choice, his will. According to him only. I am not as much. So after that, I go to you after teaching. It takes time. If my sir has taught me from 7:30 to 8:40, from I takes, then after 8:30 when my sir goes, I takes 5 minutes breaks, and I eat some biscuits, from as a refreshments, which gives me sudden energy. So but some after that, I study for 1 hour again, and at 9:30 I get bored with study, so I want some refreshment. Then I played my TVs, cassettes, or PSP. I play games, and after that I have my dinner. And you was thinking that much schedule is my breakfast, so some special schedule will be of my dinner, but it not as much because it's depends on our mind mood, basically on my father's, because he's tired, and we are preparing dish for him only that he can get beneficial, means we are living in family, so he can get that benefits. So that whenever I ask for papa, please, I want to go to mall with my friends, so he is, he becomes happy with me when I give him, papa, please take water, please take glucon D, but drink. So for that, it's beneficial for me only, so I can go for that. And after that, it's a harm effect when we take a dinner and suddenly we go to bed. So I take a walk for 10 minutes in my societies, which is apartment. I am living here only. So I am taking a walk, and I have tell you that I takes money, and my father also allows me to go and eat kulfi. So my walking also continues, and I eat ice creams and kulfi. So after walking, I wash my legs and hands because my grandmother assist me that I was complaining that my dadi, I am facing lot of nightmare at night, and my dreams is not as much good which I want, and my sleep is not proper. It, you know, it's continues with some breaks, and I sometimes I get afraid because sometimes it's I feel alone, so I take water. It's my permanent habit that I will take my bottle, which is in cold weathers. I also prefer cold water because it relaxes our mind when we are having nightmare. So I takes near my bed always. And you know, sometimes I am scared, so I am placing that Hanuman Chalisa's small books inside my pillow because sometimes I am scared. So after that, I go to bed, and after washing my legs, I go to bed and have so beautiful of dreams. And after that, my routine continues till my whole student life. Thank you.